Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make a website with ChatGPT using GPT-4. So let's get right into it. Before we start guys, I have to make sure that you know we have to use GPT-4 in order for us to successfully do this. So you just have to be subscribed to that, and once you are subscribed, go over to the lower left corner on your profile, settings and beta features, and make sure plugins is enabled here. And once you are done, you have to go over and have a new chat. Make sure you use GPT-4 and also have plugins enabled. So make sure that is enabled and scroll over to the bottom until you see the plugin store. Once done with that, you have to go on over and search for website. So you can actually use anything here, but I suggest to use ABC website maker, and that's what I've used here. So as you can see, if this is loaded, as you can see, I've used this one to make a website about food via CSS, and as you can see, it created me this. But you can also directly um, go over and customize this like that. So you can go ahead and ask for designs. And as you can see, it is generating this right now. All you have to do is ask to create you a website, and also you can state what language you want, and also you can ask for a CSS. All you have to do is wait for this to finish guys. As you can see, it is now generating it, and all you have to do is wait for this guys. So here, as you can see, it also given us the CSS also here. So it might take a while guys because it is designing it for you. So as you can see, it asks you for design, makes you a design, and as you can see, all you have to do is directly go ahead and communicate with this AI and plug in so that you can create your own website. So as you can see, take note of the prompt I used. So you can also make it like make me a website using Python language about food business like that, or gym business, anything you like, and then there. So make sure guys, if you are having a new chat, make sure that the ABC website maker is only checked, not other plugins that you have. And there guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.